If you've seen ads for Tiworld Dentures claiming their full denture with strong suction can stay locked in place without any adhesives, you've probably wondered the same thing most people do. Is this the future of dentures or just smart marketing? Tiworld Medical says their special suction technology keeps the dentures secure, that the materials are flexible, durable, stain-resistant, and that they naturally adapt to your gums over time, giving you a comfortable fit without the mess of glues or powders. It definitely sounds impressive, but when we started digging into the details, things got a bit less straightforward. The first thing we noticed was that many of the before and after photos floating around online are actually taken from other websites, which raises questions about transparency. Their claims of CE certification, FDA approval, and clinical testing also have no verifiable documents behind them, which doesn't automatically make the product bad, but it does leave room for doubt. Customer support is limited to email only, with no phone number or live chat option, so if something goes wrong, getting quick help might be difficult. The marketing language also leans heavily on phrases like unique suction, technology, extreme comfort, and long-term adaptation, but there aren't detailed explanations or technical breakdowns to back those promises. And while their website shows polished, perfect testimonials, we couldn't find genuine customer reviews on places like Trustpilot, Reddit, or independent forums, which makes it harder to know what real users actually experienced. So, is Tiworld's denture solution a breakthrough or just hype? Well, it sits somewhere in the middle. The idea is interesting and the product could be helpful for some people. But the lack of proof, transparency, and real user feedback means you should approach it with curiosity and a bit of caution before spending your money.